Hello and welcome back guys. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can use Tor browser in your Brave browser. First of all, you need to open your Brave browser. Make sure you are connected with the internet. And then go to the top right corner, these three lines, click on it and just click on the new private window with Tor. Or you can also do it by using Alt Shift and N. Here you can see status of the Tor connection is 30%, 4568, 7590 and then 100. You are successfully connected to Tor. And yes, you are connected. You can explore any website with the Onion. No, it can't be illegal on like YouTube, so that's why I'm not going forward. And bye bye. Have a